Meaning of entrap.
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 Entrap. The verb entrap means to catch or ensnare someone in a trap, often through deception or trickery. The result of entrapment is that the person becomes stuck or trapped and unable to escape without outside assistance. This can have legal implications, as law enforcement agencies are sometimes accused of entrapment in cases where they use undercover operations to lure individuals into committing crimes they may not have otherwise committed. In general, entrapment can have negative consequences for the person who was entrapped, as it can lead to loss of freedom, financial loss, or damage to one's reputation.